give me a calcium, and then go away.
What will go away?
The hiccups.
Are you sure a calcium will make it go away?
I know it.
What
One time I ate a calcium and the hiccups went away.
Well, how about if I just tickle you? Will that make them go away?
No.
Let's try it.
No, I just hiccup before you tickled me.
You do want a pickle?
Yeah, and a calcium. Maybe that will work.
How about a drink of water?
No.
No.
I just want a pickle and a calcium.
How did you get those hiccups? Did you forget to wash your hands?
I started the hiccup.
Well, how? How did you?
I don't know.
You mean that they just came up all by themselves?
But now I'm hicking up.
What are you doing? Let me see.
Hicking up.
Oh.
Hiccup. I'm doing hiccups now.
Oh no, shall we take you to the doctor?
No. One time I ate a calcium and then I was hiccuping and then I got a calcium and then the calcium got away.
How many calciums do you need to eat? How many?
Only a whole, like 3.
Oh,
Like
3 calciums?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and 3 pickles.
And 3 pickles.
Yeah. And maybe that will work.
Maybe. What do you have there, Joseph?
Pickles.
How many pickles?
3.
Why do you have 3 pickles? What's it going to help you do?
Make the hiccups go away.
Oh, let's see if it works. Did it work? That is a lot of pickles. What are you going to do?